Today, we will talk about how to start a house-sitting business. Let's have a look at the details. Many people, especially pet owners, hire someone to stay in their house while they go away on vacation. The house-sitter's duties can include anything from taking care of the pets to light house cleaning, tending the lawn, and other chores. If your house-sitting business is only a side gig, it still should be organized just like any other small business. The first step is building references and credibility. Try house-sitting for friends or relatives. You can get a good handle on the responsibilities in a more controlled environment before you do it for strangers. Assess your own skills and interests. Know what you're capable of doing so you don't get in over your head. Ask for references. House-sitting clients are going to ask you for references. And talk to people who know you and can speak to your character and trustworthiness. Sign up with a house-sitting site. There are a number of house-sitting agencies and services online that will help you find your first house-sitting clients. Set up a website and social media presence. You may decide that you just want to stick with an agency or referral service for a while. However, an online presence is essential if you intend to go out on your own and start a house-sitting business. The second step is establishing your business. Create a business plan. Even if you only plan on running your house-sitting business as a side gig, a formal business plan can help you organize your business and stay on track with your goals. Scout out the competition. To get a good understanding of your earning potential as a house-sitter, you need to look at what other house-sitters in your area are doing. Investigate franchise opportunities. A franchise may cut some of this time and effort. Maintain your business as a sole proprietorship. In most countries, your business is considered a sole proprietorship by default. Form an LLC if you want to house-sit for a living. If you plan to house-sit most of the year, an LLC protects your personal finances. Register your business name. Get a tax ID number. Separate your finances. This makes it easier at tax time to take all allowed deductions. Get insurance and any necessary licenses or permits. You typically don't need any special licenses or permits to house-sit. And the third step is growing your clientele. Advertise your business. If you want to add more clients to your house-sitting business, a few well-placed online ads can help your business get attention. Keep your online presence up to date. Network with other house-sitters. Sometimes you're in competition with other house-sitters, but you can also collaborate and help each other so that everyone's business grows and prospers. Expand your services. Adding services can be a good way to grow your clientele, but make sure you're not taking on more than you can handle. Hire other house-sitters. If you intend to make a living from your house-sitting business, you will eventually get to the point that you can't expand any further without hiring other house-sitters to work for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.